Hi everyone, I'm so excited. My copy finally came in. I ordered specifically from Traveler's Company because I wanted to make sure that I could get the Traveler's Times. I already tried a couple of times this year and I didn't get it, and the stores I went to was sold out. I always love having the newsletter. So this is the newsletter. They folded it in half to fit it in my box, and I was so happy to get this edition. So on the front page, they show some of the previous years, like the 10th anniversary edition, and then some of their other special ones like Train, Diner, The Records, Hotel, and then, of course, their standard ones. So I was happy to get this, and in the middle gives a good description and explanation of what is Traveler's Notebook, and kind of gives the history. And it's honestly how I started. I started off with a do it yourself leather journal that I had built myself, and I used their inserts back in 2014. And I've been using them ever since. So I was really happy to be able to get this included with my shipment. So in my shipment is the 20th anniversary notebook, which this one is a new size for them called the card size set. And in particular, why I decided to get this one is the version of Hobonichi, the A5 Hobonichi cover by Potter that I'm using this year. It's not holding my cards well at all. In years past, I had used this passport size, and that's what I've been leaning to go back into for my wallet. But since they came out with this card size one, I was going to see if I could put everything into this card size set and use it inside of the bag that I've already been using this year. So they have two different sets this year. I'm trying to show kind of the shiny foiling on this box cover. So I'm going to cut out the box cover in order to keep this foiled piece here. You'll see I have the brown edition. So they had a brown one, and they had I think it was black with a blue insert. But with Traveler's Company, I've always gravitated more strongly towards their brown covers. So that's why I decided to do this set in the brown. It's nice they give us extra booklets with this particular release, since they don't have any booklets in this size already. So here's the first one, 20th anniversary, and you'll see the inside is the cream paper, but the inside has the traditional stamp on the front, so that you can decorate your cover page the way you're used to. These are stapled inserts with cream is one. The second insert, the same way, it's also cream and blank as well. The third insert, this one is like letter pressed, a dark brown color, and it has that stamped cream page on the front, but the inside pages are white. So it's cream here, but all the other pages are white on the inside. And then this one is the same cream and then blank on the inside. So here in this little extra set, they give us 4 with this one. Okay, let's see here. 1 cotton bag, leather cover, notebook refill with white, 2 pieces, and cream, 32 pages, 2 pieces, the cotton zipper case, craft folder, connecting rubber bands, and spare band. I'm hiding my card number, but here you can see You can fit cards in this little folder even. So that's my American Express card, and it fits right in that pocket. Now this is definitely something we don't usually get with their standard covers when we buy those. These are always purchased separately, but it's included with this 20th anniversary set. Has the little label here, and it has 2 pouches. So I'm going to try the same right here. So this is going to work perfectly for exactly what I was wanting to use it for. I have so many loose cards. Here's my library card, and then here's my Costco card. They fit into this insert as well. So yes, all the cards that I'm wanting to carry for a wallet are going to fit in this. It's going to be my wallet. And then this will be my little coin pouch right here. And then same thing with bills. I can just fold the bills and put them inside of like this craft folder or wherever they will stick in the notebook. This is great. Here's the 2 little expander bands. So both of these are brown. And now we get to the cute little actual cover itself. So of course you have this band here that you could use, and then I'll save this. So you have one that comes with your cardboard right here, and then they also have an extra contrasting color, the orange one here. I love that contrast. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Okay. And here is that beautiful brown. So cute, so little. So on the back of this particular cover is where they've stamped the 20th anniversary, the 20th Traveler's Notebook. Again, these are still being produced in Thailand. And then here's that other book. So you get 5 refills with the kit. So you get 3 of these that have white pages, and you get 2 of these that have cream pages, but they all have 20th anniversary on the front cover. All right, so let me take this out. Here's the little bookmark. And then I want to change out this band for sure. And we'll set this up. I did have a separate additional charm to put on the front here. There it goes. So here you can see this little tag says Traveler's Notebook. So before I tighten it down, I always make sure I kind of have it in the right space with a little bit of a gap. And then I'll pull it over to kind of gauge where my knot is going to be. I'm not going to make it super tight to begin with because I just want to make sure I can fit all my cards in here. So one thing I do is I do like to use my folders inside out this direction because it allows me to slide a notebook in and out like this. Or in this particular case, it's going to be so that I can have my medical directive card right here in the front, my medical power of attorney card right here in the front, and it's easy to slide in and slide out. So I'm not going to put that here on camera, but it's going to go in this pouch right here. So here I make sure that the craft folder is right, that the string is right at the craft folder notch and also the notebook notch, so that this craft folder is nicely centered. So sometimes it takes some finagling a little bit in the beginning. But sometimes you kind of have to move your string up and down to get that placement of the notebook right where you're going to want it. Again, my medical directive can go right here in the front, and then I can open into my notebook, make any notes or grocery lists or anything like that I have going on. And then I could add another book here or put some other cards. In my case, it's probably going to be my cards. In my case, probably some other cards that aren't super important if they fall out, but that I want to have. Whereas like my debit cards and credit cards are definitely going to be kept protected in the zipper case itself. This can go right here. Okay, it's perfect. It fit everything I wanted to fit in it. So I changed the little band out to the orange, and I added the traveler's notebook charm to the front. On the inside is the craft folder is first. So this is my medical directive in the front. And then here is one of the notebooks. I'm going to use the gold foiled one first, along with the bookmark. Here's the back side of that same craft folder. And here I have 2 membership cards, my public library card, as well as my Costco card. Then in here, I just want to make sure I don't have anything private showing. Nope. And then here I have 3 cards, including my driver's license and insurance cards, and I have another 5 cards in the back. So in this little pouch right here, I have 8 cards, whether those be credit cards, debit card, driver's license, insurance cards, all of those fit perfectly. And then here's the coin purse. So I think my little gauge for this was about right. I'm going to loosen it just a little bit more, just to give it a little bit more lax. And now I'll tighten it down. And this is my new wallet. So she's going to fit perfectly into that Hobonichi porter that I've been carrying. But let me show you the size difference. So this is the passport that I carried before as my wallet. And you can see it's almost half that size. So you could fit almost 2 of these for the size of this. So this is almost an A6. I would say this is almost an A7. So that's that. And then if you want to compare it to the big one, it's like very little. So this is the Blackwing edition, Blackwing collab. Very tiny compared to that one. So I'll have some photos here at the end so you can really see the comparison better. But it's great. So cute. So it holds everything I need. It is a little chunky, but it actually found a useful purpose for it. Another idea I had as well is like where I have my medical directive card, it's quite thick. You could fit business cards there instead. So in fact, I might be changing out these membership cards that I don't use as often and actually put my personal business cards here instead, so that I always have some of those with me as well. So business card holder, wallet, however you want to use it. It's truly, when they say it's card size, it is truly business card size, driver's license card size. It will really fit those items to be useful for that purpose. So I'd love to see how you're using yours. If you got the 20th anniversary edition as well, post me a comment below so I can check out your video or your Instagram. I'll see you on the next one.